In this tutorial, you will learn how to build new products and product mixes in AgFiniti and sync them with your AgLeader display. Building new products and mixes in AgFiniti will ensure proper management setup prior to operation in the field. In order to build new products and product mixes, you must first log into your AgFiniti account. Click on the menu in the upper left corner. Select Manage Data. To edit management items such as grower, farm, field, and products, choose Edit Management on the left-hand side of the screen. Select Products at the bottom of the list. This will show you all existing products that you can edit or delete. To add a new product to the list, click on the orange plus sign on the top right-hand side of the panel. You will then be able to build a new product. For this example, we will be creating a urea, DAP, potash, and lime mix. Enter the product name, manufacturer, product group, and product form. You will now be able to add more information on the product type and mix type. For this example, choose formula as the mix type. Then specify the carrier. To add more components to the mix, choose the plus icon at the bottom. Add Pel lime, potash, DAP, and urea. Enter in the units and amount of product. Once all components have been added and entered, we will then enter the total amount of mix applied. Once the mix is built, we will select the check mark in the top right corner. Now we can sync our new product mix to your AgLeader display. Go to the Maps page in AgFiniti. Choose the wrench in the main toolbar. Select Export. Click Display Setup. Then choose the items you want to export to your AgLeader display. We will only export products, so for this example, leave growers, prescriptions and crop plans, variety tracking, and tile on the default settings. Under Products, choose the circled plus sign and select the product or products you'd like to export. Once we have our product selected, click the check in the top right corner. The exported data will then show in My Files. This Ag Setup file will automatically be sent to your AgLeader display, which would need to be connected to the internet and logged into the same AgFiniti account. Select the menu in the top left corner of the display. Click Data Transfer. Then choose Import Setup. Select the AgFiniti tab where you will see the exported Ag Setup file that was automatically synced. You have now successfully built a new product mix in AgFiniti and synced it to your AgLeader display. For more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.